Got gifts in the mail today. Little update. Don't expect nothing real big. I mean, still fun to get the stuff. From my favorite place, Jones Racing. This right here will just be some pieces to go with my oil pump project I've already posted videos on. Let's see what we got in here. I'm slowly getting everything little bit by little bit. Well, they glued her box as well. Let's see here. Got our new catalog, magazines, some candy, a bill. Oh, well, candy's gone. We'll set that over here. And 2 belts. I ordered 2 because this type of deal, they're custom special order belts, so that's a good looking belt. That'll go from my crankshaft to drive the oil pump. I hope it's the right length. If not, I'll have to send them back and get a shorter one. But I measured everything, and they're pretty good on this kind of stuff. Let's see. And that's for the HTK drive, I think they call it. Yep. Let's see here. The keyway looks kind of large, but maybe not. I got the new, this may not work, daggone it. If you remember in my other video, I showed the bolt, and he sent me, it had the hex head, old ugly gold, zinc plated style bolt. And I'd ordered a longer bolt, and he told me it would be black. So I'm thinking somebody sent me the wrong bolt here, because it should be black with the hex head flat, so it'll sit flush like this. This is my old pulley. And I have a feeling this bolt is no longer than this one. Somebody packaged up the wrong bolts, what happened. So I know he'll make it good. I'm not too worried about that, but yep, same exact thing. Daggone it. I ordered a new cap. I didn't really need it. See, it's got a bevel and the other one's flat on top. Got keyways for the oil pump. Let's see what we got in here. Trying to cut this tape, but I don't want to go too deep and scratch anything. This is something you go find probably stupid, but I have been excited about and wanting one for a while now. If I can get to it. Yeah. Crankshaft wrench. Logo on it. Nice aluminum wrench for turning the engine over. So when you get all this, you can't take no little Allen head and sit there and turn the engine. Take that right there and I can crank the engine over if I need to work on it. That's why I got this pulley out, to show you this wrench. Very nice wrench. That's the Jones Racing wrench for the crank. Also be used as a weapon if need be. The belts, wrench, keyways, and the wrong bolt. I'm disappointed over the bolt, but I know somebody there packaging this dropped the ball, because me and him talked on the phone about this bolt. And he told me the bolt would be black, the length it would be, and that he didn't have the stainless one. See, my new crank mandrel, you know, it's about this long here. It's an inch or two longer, so these bolts won't reach the threads. And the only other bolt he offers, if you stay with this flat style, is a black oxide. So I was just gonna paint it silver. Nobody would never notice. So anyway, he'll send me out the right bolt. In the meantime, I'll make sure these belts fit. Maybe Sunday I'll get the car in there. I won't be able to run it with these on it because I haven't got the oil pan and all on the car yet. But I'll be able to hook it up and just see if they fit the pulleys, and I can tension them and all that. That's a heavy duty belt, just like a timing belt on a car, really. But that's my little update. I'm gonna call it a night, get on inside, and package this stuff up, and hopefully Sunday I'll do a little short video showing the belt on the car and different things like that. I doubt you care to see the wrench in action, but I may throw that on there. I definitely want to try it out. Just turn the motor over, because I've been using a little, the other pulley's got 13 millimeter or 14 millimeter bolts, heads, and I've been using, I'll take like 2 wrenches and put on them to rotate the motor real slow. And that works, but it's a pain, and I just went ahead and ordered the wrench because I don't want to scar that all up with a regular old wrench around here, and this aluminum wrench will be a little easier on it. Catch you guys later.